Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's look because I'm showing you guys this beautiful brown and gold halo smoky eye. I feel like I haven't done a halo look in so long, and if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I love halo looks and I used to do them all the time, but I feel like I haven't done one in a while, so I'm really excited to do one today. And I'm going to be using the new Cor-De-Rosa palette by Sigma. The packaging is so pretty. Let me show you inside this palette because it is beautiful. I was so excited to start playing around with it, and here it is. I love the shades. I think it's so pretty, and I am so excited to be creating today's look using this palette and some of their lip products in this collection as well. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Sigma Cor-De-Rosa eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm picking up is Apricot. I'm first starting off with my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, and I'm running the shadow through my crease all the way into this inner part of my crease. I'm now going into Medallion. I'm now switching over to my Sigma E25, and I'm going to start running this through the crease again. I'm first applying this kind of lower down on my crease, all the way into this inner part of my crease. And then start doing circular motions, and I'm also going to wing out all my shadows. I want it to be super winged out and smoked out. So I kind of just wiggle the brush towards the tail of my brow and then back into the crease area. To darken up the look, I'm picking up Bare Root. And then now applying this on this outer third of my lid. I'm going to keep the center free of any shadow because we're creating a halo look. And then once I apply that on my lid, I'm going to use a really light hand. So I'm holding the brush at the very end. And I'm just going to start doing little circular motions to start distributing the shadow through my crease. And then lightly through the center of my crease as well. And then we're going to do the same thing on this inner third of my lid. Don't worry if it's looking a little harsh right now. We are going to be going back in with the other shadows to help really blend everything out and layer the shadows to create a really nice dimension to the look. I'm blending this now through the crease on this inner part right here and then through the center again. So now I just deepened and darkened the shadow on my inner corner and outer corner and through my crease a little bit with that dark brown shadow. And then I'm picking up Medallion on the tip of my E30 diffuse crease brush, and I'm going to start applying this through the top of my crease to bring back the warmth in that shadow. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to do the same thing that I did through my crease and lid. So first going in with Medallion and just applying this on this outer third of my lower lash line. And then applying that on the inner third of my lower lash line. It's okay if we kind of sweep just this shadow through the center, just a little bit, just to add a little bit of definition on the bottom right here. And then picking up Bare Root on my E15 flat to finer brush and applying that on the outer third right here. And then smoking that down and making it super smoky. And then applying that on the inner half. Again, trying to avoid the center, but it's okay if we get shadow there. Don't worry, nothing's going to happen. We are going to kind of just cancel all that out with a little bit of a base. As a base, I'm going into the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Eyeshadow Base in Illustrate. So I'm going to apply a little dot of this on the center of my lid. And then I'm going to take my ring finger and just blend that out. Now going into Sunsprite. And now picking up this beautiful gold metallic shadow on my finger, and I'm going to start tapping that right over top of the base. And look at how pretty that is. So what I'm now going to do is just take my finger and lightly tap that right in the center of my crease. I kind of just want it to rise up and kind of gradiate into the crease area. And then just picking up a little bit of Big Root and just tapping that on the outer edges to make sure that the shadow blends really nicely. Picking up Belle of the Ball, and now picking up this shadow on my pinky and just applying this right in the center to add a little bit of extra dimension. And then on my lower lash line, I'm going to do the same thing with the base. First apply it and then blend it out. And then applying Sunsprite over top with my F70 concealer brush by Sigma. And then applying Belle of the Ball in the center. And then just applying Big Root and tapping that on the edge to make sure that everything is blended once again. I'm going to the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Demolition. I'm going to line my upper waterline. And then I'm going to line just where the brown shadow is, so just on this outer third, and then just on this inner third. Now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Goldmine, and then I'm going to apply this in the center. Going into the Laura Mercier Face Illuminator in Addiction. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going into the Salon Perfect Extension Secret Lashes in 661. And that's the eye look done. For lips, I'm going to try out the lip products that came with this lip collection. So first, for liquid lipstick, I'm going into this beautiful Cor-De-Rosa shade. This lipstick is so pretty. So now over top, I want to try one of the lip glosses. So I'm going to go into this lip gloss in, it's also Cor-De-Rosa. It's really, really pretty. And that is it. This is the completed look of my brown and gold halo smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am obsessed with how this look turned out. Usually when I do a halo look, I always just keep the halo up top, and then my lower lash line is just like one single shadow or two shadows, but I never really bring down the halo on my lower lash line, and I am obsessed. I love it so much. The color combinations are beautiful, and this palette is incredible. So amazing. The pigmentation of these shadows and the blendability, everything, love it. Cannot wait to keep playing around with it. If there's any colors in the palette that you really want me to try out and create a look using, then definitely let me know in the comments, and I definitely will do that for you. And you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. They'll be right here and down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!